Kristin Cavallari reveals her relationship with Lindsay Lohan, months after divulging that the actress walked in on her and Talon Torriero in bed together. The reality star, 38, had previously said that it took place when they were teenagers and that Lindsay's reaction after was to hurl plates. The mom of 3 clarified that her and Talon were not intimate and were simply sleeping next to each other, and that she has seen Lindsay, 38, after the incident and never had an issue, she told Us Weekly. I hadn't seen her in years, but we saw each other a few times after that incident and never had an issue, she revealed. Kristin revealed the story about her and Talon in a wild throwback story during the Let's Be Honest podcast. The star said that Lindsay allegedly had a dramatic reaction to her and Talon sharing a bed during their teenage years. We go up to LA to stay with Talon and we're all sleeping. I'm sleeping in bed with Talon. We did not hook up this night, Cavallari recounted, per Us. She continued, Lindsay comes in, sees that I'm in bed with Talon, nothing has happened, but she sees that there's a girl in bed with Talon and she freaks the F out. Cavallari claimed that obviously something happened between Lohan and Torriero. Cavallari continued, per the outlet, she sees that I'm in bed, and she goes upstairs, her and her girlfriends, and she's taking glasses out and throwing them. Torriero chimed in, saying Lohan wasn't hurling drinking glasses, but plates. He was trying to calm her down, and you guys, we're in high school still, Cavallari added. We're 18, like, what the F is going on with Hollywood? Like, Hollywood is crazy. Lauren Alexandria Hooser, Alex H., recalled the chaos, adding, what woke us up, you just heard, like, S, going on, like, bashing and screaming.
Cuando tú no estás conmigo, ¿cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito? ¿Cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado? Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.